dance of dreams, a lens that fits, flying